Hello hustlers, are you ready? So let's today discuss a few points that I like in Rich and Poor Dad book, and by this they will also help you to understand a little bit about money, because in this channel I not just discuss ways to make money but also about how to manage money and all the stuff related to money. But before discussing those 5 things from Rich Dad and Poor Dad book, if you are struggling for financial freedom, then consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, because here I tell people about how to earn money and the ways to manage money so that they don't lose money after earning it through hard work. If someone doesn't know about Rich Dad and Poor Dad book, which is so uncommon, but if someone really doesn't know, so this book was written by Robert Kiyosaki. He is a millionaire. His net worth is estimated to be around $100 million, and these are some of the best source of income of Robert Kiyosaki. He wrote a book, Rich Dad and Poor Dad, whose around 32 million copies are being sold worldwide. He also sells other books and educational material related to financial freedom and entrepreneurship. He also invests his money in real estates. The reason to discuss this all about him is to assure you people that the point I am going to discuss in this video are very much critical, and I have made them much easier so that even a teenager can easily understand these things. So the first point is change the way we think about money. It is very important for everyone there to think differently about money. Don't think about just working for money, and start making money works for you. There are several ways by which you can make money to work for you: by investing, starting a business, or by creating multiple passive income sources. There are multiple videos of mine present on YouTube related to passive income businesses that you can start today. So go and check out. Now let's move on point number 2. The rich create money machines. This point also resemble much with the first point that we have discussed earlier, but let's discuss in bit details. So the school usually teaches us to get good grades and then find a job and work till death. But Rich Dad shares a secret to financial freedom, and that secret is to create money machines that makes money while you are sleeping. How cool it is. Establish businesses that make money themselves without costing your time. Such businesses like rent a property or start any online businesses that earn money for you passively, because millionaire and billionaire of the time make money from multiple sources without their involvement. And according to recent reports, Robert Kiyosaki has around 8,000 houses that he rented out. Likewise, you can also make money machines by investing and creating your online businesses which earn money for you passively. Now let's move on point number 3. Being smart about debt. Many of us think that debt is bad, but Rich Dad help us to understand that there are 2 kinds of debt. One is good debt and the second one is bad debt. Good debt like mortgages or business loans, such debt help us to get things that make money, while the bad debt like credit card bills or car loans takes money away from us, and it completely depends on you how you manage debt. Either you make good debt or a bad debt. Recently in an interview, Robert Kiyosaki claimed to be over $1 billion in debt. Now imagine how wisely the author of the world famous book Rich Dad and Poor Dad will manage it, and soon it is a possibility that he will be a billionaire. Now let's move on point number 4. Financial intelligence. The thing that I understood from this point is that the best asset we have is knowledge. So Rich Dad make us focus on gaining knowledge related to money and different aspects of it, like accounting, investing, and understanding the market. For suppose if you are thinking of investing money in a real estate business, then make sure you are aware of every single thing in this business model so that you can run things smoothly. There is an African proverb: knowledge is like a garden. If it is not cultivated, it cannot be harvested. So always learn about anything that you are passionate about. Now it's time to discuss the last and the most important point, and the point is taking action. Now that you have the right way of thinking, strategies and knowledge, it is time to do something about it. Try things out, figure out what works best for you, and don't worry if you make mistakes. Every mistake is like a clue, and every problem is a chance to change direction. I have not failed 10,000 times. I successfully found 10,000 ways that will not work. This is the one of the famous quote of the great inventor of the time, Thomas Edison. And if you notice that he also made mistakes, and actually mistakes are inevitable, but those who who learn from those mistakes and don't repeat them again makes every mistake as a step to their success. So this is the end of this video, and consider subscribing and sharing this video to your friend. See you in my next video. Till then, keep hustling.